In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Google Meet on your laptop. This process is quick and straightforward, taking about 5 minutes, and you'll have Google Meet ready for all your meetings in no time. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go directly to the Google Meet website. Simply type meetgoogle.com into the address bar and hit enter. This will bring you to the main Google Meet homepage where all the meeting magic begins. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign-in button located in the top right corner of the page. This is your next step, so go ahead and click on that. If you're already signed into another Google service, it might automatically detect your account. But if not, it'll prompt you to sign in manually. This brings us to the next step, choosing your Google account. You can select from the list of accounts that appear, or if you need to, you can also add a new account. Follow the usual sign-in prompts to enter your email and password. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll be redirected back to the Google Meet homepage. Now it's time for a bit of browser magic. Look up to the top right corner of your web browser, and you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots. They're your gateway to more browser options. When that menu expands, scroll down towards the bottom until you find an option that says Cast, Save, and Share. This might sound a bit technical, but all you really need to do is click it. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. You're almost there. Within that menu, you'll see the option to Create Shortcut. Give it a click. This will allow you to create a direct shortcut to Google Meet, making access future meetings even more seamless. At this point, you'll be prompted to type in a name for your new shortcut. Choose something easy like Google Meet so you can easily identify it on your desktop later. Make sure it rings a bell the next time you see it. Finish things off by clicking the Create button. Your browser will automatically generate a shortcut that now sits right on your desktop. This means every time you need to join or set up a meeting, it's just a double click away. And there you have it, folks. With these simple steps, you'll have Google Meet installed as a shortcut on your laptop, ready to launch anytime you need. Now you're all set for seamless meetings with just a click. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide made your Google Meet setup clear and easy. Happy meetings, and see you next time.